Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share my next box opening for Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft. I have here the March box from Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft, and I'm going to open it up and share what's inside with you. So when we open it up, we have these little goodies here. So I'm just going to pull these out of the box and then we can have a look at them. So first up we have some ink pads. So these are vibrant dye inks and clearly Kelly Hero Arts dye inks. So there are some lovely colors there. And then I'm going to open this up and we'll see what goodies are in here. So this is a lovely Easter themed box, guys. So get your Easter crafting on for March. And pull all these out. Okay, so we have two washi tapes this time. I love washi. So we've got one that's like a grass theme. Sorry about the glare on my camera there. There we go. I've got a grass theme, sorry. And we have a bunny rabbits. So they're super cute. Then we have some little bunnies. I'm going to pull these out of the plastic so that you don't have to see all the glare. So we have some little bunny embellishments there, brads. So they're very cute. We have some twine, love Baker's twine. We have, oh, there's a die here, guys. This is a little bunny rabbit die by Cottage Cuts. We have a stamp set by Neat and Tangled. It says, "You are extra special to me. You're a good egg." And then it's got a little chick, egg with a bow on it, and this little sunnies and bow that I suppose you could put on the chick there. So that's really cute. And then we have some Echo Park dice. I'll get my words right. We have some Echo Park die cut cardstock pieces. Gee, that's a mouthful. This is called Hello Easter. So I'll just open these up so that we can see them. So, had two little ones fall out there. Okay, oh dear, things falling out everywhere. So there's a few of these little ones. They're little butterflies. So they're very cute. And then there's a whole bunch of different cutter parts, so I'll just go through them. So these are just great. They're Easter themed and just super, super cute, guys. Hop, 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 hop. That's a little tab. You're a funny bunny. Ooh, got things flying everywhere. Basket full of fun. Some flags. Little tabs. Journaling spots. Titles. This chick is so cute. Birds, bunnies, look at all these little things. Let's go on a hunt. These are gorgeous, guys. So you get a lot of value in that pack. It doesn't look like there's heaps when you first see it, but there is a lot in there. And then, last but certainly not least, we have the paper collection. So this matches the cutter part. So this is the Echo Park Hello Easter collection. I'm just getting it out of the plastic. So we get carrots. Oh, and there's two sheets, guys. Okay, great. So going to bring that up so you can see the pattern. So you've got bunnies holding carrots, and then on the other side the plain carrots. We've got some Easter sayings with some checks. We've got, oh, I love these. I love things I can cut apart. So these all look like they're 3x4-inch cards. And then with a nice aqua color on the back there. Then these are 4x6 cards. This is my kind of collection, guys. I feel like I'm gonna have to do some pocket page scrapping. Oh, this is beautiful. Some flowers on the back there. Then we've got, oh, look. These are 3x3-inch cards, I believe. Nope, they're gonna be 4x4. That makes more sense. Don't listen to me, guys. They're 4x4-inch, I know my measurements. Some pink bunnies on the back. Here we have some blue bunnies. Just gonna move them off camera there. And some pink checks. And that's it. So, what a fun collection. I love these pastel colors that we've got. So lots of pinks and aquas. They match in perfectly with the cutter parts there. Oh, put them in the corner. And yeah, look at all these embellishments that you get to go with it. So this is a fantastic kit. Thank you, Vera. I'm very, very excited to get started making some projects. Ooh. And I'll be back soon, guys, to share some projects with you. Bye for now.